It's iPhone day, so let's go pick up an iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, and the new Apple Watch Ultra 2. Woodsy wants to come with, but she's got to stay here and wait until we unbox them right after I go pick them up. We got the Apple Watch Ultra. Now we got to go to a different Apple store to pick up the iPhones because I messed up and picked a different one. Also, this one didn't have them like right at launch, and I came here right when they opened, so gotta go to the other one, grab the phones. We got the phones, got the watch. Let's go inside and unbox them. She wants the iPhones. No. All right, let's unbox the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So as I unbox it, I kind of want to go through a little bit of the specs and also mention that the unboxing experience for the Ultra 2, very similar to the Ultra 1 that I had. It's only a difference of the watch face on the main part of the box. And then even the information pamphlet, which you see here, is very similar to the Apple Watch Ultra first generation. So as we pull it out of the box, the Apple Watch band that I got was the Alpine Loop in blue. I think this one looks the best out of all of them. I prefer this over the Trail Loop, although on my Apple Watch Series 9 that I use day to day, I have the Nike band, which is very similar to the Trail Loop. And this is how the Apple Watch Ultra bands usually come packaged. I love the two-tone blue. And as I was mentioning, the chip. It is a Apple S9 SIP, not chip, SIP. And this just has a more powerful GPU, more powerful neural engine, which allows for a lot of on-device tasks, such as, I'll wait for it. Yes. You get on-device Siri. And so when you ask it simple things such as set me a timer or certain health data, it can do all of that on-device and give you answers very quickly. And I did notice this when using it since doing this unboxing. But overall, the rest of the device, very similar. The screen does go up to 3000 nits, which is the brightest screen in any Apple product. But design-wise, it looks exactly the same as the Apple Watch Ultra Series 1 or first generation. Not even on the back does it say Ultra 2, which I thought was very interesting. If you put these side by side with the first gen, you wouldn't tell a difference. But let's get to what's more exciting, the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the beautiful blue titanium color. So, the box. Kind of underwhelming. I really preferred when they did the Pro boxes in black, but it is what it is. It's very simple, same size relatively to last year's box, and really similar unboxing experience as well. And so here you'll see, of course, blue wallpaper signifying blue, as well as the blue Apple logos. And this was a great moment for me when I got to see this awesome blue color. It's actually way better than in previous videos I had seen. It's a very rich blue, reminiscent of that Pacific blue from the iPhone 12 Pro series. But I would say this one is actually better. And also the first thing I noticed when I took it out of the box is how light it is in comparison to last year's Pro Max. So this will be the phone that I keep for my day-to-day use, and I think has converted me back to the Pro Max iPhones. I used to use the biggest version of every phone, and then since I guess the iPhone XS, and then Pro Max, I had that one, and then I went 13 and 14 as just Pro because they were just getting too big and too heavy, and like going to the gym or doing any kind of tasks was getting too difficult. So this is the first year I'll go back to a bigger iPhone. I think many people will go that choice and that route anyway. But here you can see the slightly smaller bezels. The screen is still 120 Hz. That Pro Motion display looks awesome, and the setup process is super easy. Again, this will be the iPhone 15 Pro, the smaller size in the natural titanium color. And the biggest difference will be obviously screen size, battery life, and the rear cameras will actually be the same except for the telephoto lens, which is now a 5x on the Pro Max. Other than that, there are no spec differences between the Pro and Pro Max. And here you can see the natural titanium color. To me, it looks a lot more gray, a lot more muted than I had thought in previous photos and videos, and I thought I might regret my decision going with the blue. Also, you get a braided USB-C to USB-C cable, but as I was mentioning, the color looks a lot muted, more muted in person, and so I don't regret my decision going with the blue. So those are the big differences. I'll come with a full review in about a week. Like, subscribe, I'll catch you in the next video where hopefully Woodsy makes another appearance.